Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So here now by one click we can activate here the Google application. By twice click here we can take a screenshot, and by long press of this side button here on the left side of our device we can use the flashlight. And if you want to just change those features, for example just to open another application or just to take a screenshot, for example by long press, we should go into the settings, then scroll to the easy key, and here we can see this all three features, so single, double and long press. And now for example here we can switch to open another app. If you want you can select one from the available applications on your device, or also we can go here to easy shuttle, and for example we can start record something or just to open source or open underwater camera or just use flashlight. Here we can also switch to double click, for example we'll open the Play Store by double click, and by long press we can just use the camera app or YouTube, for example. Now let's just check that. So by single press just use the flashlight. By twice click you can see that we just successfully activated the Play Store application, and by long press we can just launch the YouTube application. So that's how to customize quick launch on now what DOOGEE device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.